Good morning, my friend. Allow me the pleasure of introducing you to your new, oh man, this thing is so sick. New McCarty 594 in this beautiful, stunning finish. Just want to show her off before I ship her out so you can see this is in fact in mint condition. Not showing any signs of use here. No tarnishing on the hardware. No pick scratches. Your neck pocket is perfect. Your sides, no lap rash. No buckle rash at all. Top free of any issues. Neck never been marked at all. Stunning guitar. Nut install is perfect on this. Of course, PRS is just the best. No string change scratches, no dings, no marks, no fretwear. What a guitar. What I'm going to do now is I will loosen this guy. That'll go in the case cavity with the paperwork. I'm going to separate the strings from the frets. I'm also going to wrap the headstock and loosen the strings. And I'll close up the case. Case is also in mint condition. She's getting wrapped in this bubble wrap right here. Then I'll set her in this box. This box is brand new with no marks or blemishes. It's never been used. So UPS has every incentive to get her to you looking as good as she did when she left me. All right, I've got her in here packed in nice and tight, not moving around in box at all. All that's left is to go and close her up and slap a label on. All right, my friends, she's packed up nice and tight and will be headed your way today. Thank you again for your purchase. I just want to fill the world with good music by putting good instruments in the hands of good people. This is an amazing guitar. Enjoy. Thanks again.